I know everybody is thinking about these interest rates and whether or not they're going up or they're going down, but we all know that it feels like everything's just going sideways. The Bank of Canada is expected to hold rates steady on September 6th. This is according to some economists. How do you say that word? Economists, or is it economists? I think it's my Jamaican getting in the way there. So 31 of them polled expect no change to the central bank's overnight rate, with the remaining 3 of the 34 expecting a 25 basis point rise. So going from 5% to 5.25. But I know what you want to know. Should I lock in? Absolutely. I really think it's time and it's overdue. But if you can handle the stress and the pressure, go ahead and keep writing out that variable rate. But if you can't sleep at night, if you're worried about your finances, if you're worried about whether or not you can pay your bills, if you're worried about whether or not you can pay your mortgage, it might be better just to finally lock in. And you know what that means? Once they raise the overnight rates, and the prime rate goes up. So with that last increase that they did, prime rate went up to 7.2%. So this means if you've got a variable rate, your rate's going to go up. If you're coming up for renewal, your rates are going to go up, which means then you have less money for food, less money for debt, less money for travel, less money for that coffee that you love. Not that some of those things are super important, but when you've got less disposable income, life is not as much fun. I would not lock into a long-term fixed rate mortgage. You might want to get a 2 or a 3 year, which is what most lenders are recommending right now. I think the days of 1% and 2%, they're pretty well over for now. But if you're okay with these higher rates and premiums that you're paying, by all means, go right ahead. But if it's starting to get a little bit nervous and you want to sleep a little bit better, I think it's time.